Hi friends, so I have two YouTube channels. This one I make around $200 up to $300 a month, and this one I make $400 a month up to $600 a month. That means I make anywhere around $1,800 a month, and now I'm on my way to make up to $1,000 a month. Hey friends, so I'm Mas David and I'm 28 years old. Right now I'm staying at my parents' house and I decided to record this video. Maybe this video can motivate you and you can start do whatever you want to do. It can be a business, it can be creating a YouTube channel or creating any platform that you think you can make value and start making money. This is the right time, and I think this video can really help you to do so. Right now I'm staying at my parents' house and I want to show you the environment out here. You can see here. All right, yeah. So I get a chance to speak with a lot of people and ask them why they don't start YouTube channel, what is stopping them from creating content and start uploading this content on YouTube. And the only thing that I hear from them is that they don't have good equipment, they don't have a nice office, so they're just waiting for them to have everything ready so they can start a YouTube channel. So what I learned is that there is never a perfect time. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you can start right now. It really doesn't matter about the phone that you're using. Right now I'm using my iPhone 6 to record this video. It really doesn't have high quality, but I think you can really understand what I'm about to say in this video. So if you are thinking about creating a YouTube channel or you are thinking about starting any business, a new business, I think this video is really going to help you. I'm sorry about these noises. So I think this video is really going to help you. Right now people are not going to watch your videos because you have good background, amazing mansion. I think the only thing that people are watching right now on the internet is that you really have to be the person who provides good value and good information so that people can listen to you and can learn something from you. I think that's all that matters. So I think you can make your situation turn into luck. If you are facing a very hard time, like you don't have money to start a YouTube channel, to buy a good camera, you can start with what you have. And I want to tell you one thing about me, is that I'm 28 years old right now and I'm staying at my parents' house, and I'm not ashamed because we don't have nice house, we don't have good car. As you can see, this is our house, yeah. But I think having a nice house, having good equipment to start a YouTube channel, have a good office, it doesn't mean that you have good value to provide to people. So if you think you really have this message that you want to send to people, you want to share to different people around the world, you can start sharing this message right now using this platform, because this platform is giving out a lot of money to different creators. You can start with what you have on YouTube and you can make it to the top. So as for me right now, I'm about to make $1,000 a month because I have two channels, and on this channel I make around $200 up to $300, and the other channel which I have, which is a huge channel, I make at least $400 up to $500. So right now I'm on my way to start making at least $1,000 a month. But if I was too afraid, maybe I shouldn't start YouTube because of my environment, because we don't have amazing house. Actually thinking maybe I'm not too good to provide good information, good value to different people, because as you can see right now, this channel, most of my followers, most of my viewers are coming from United States of America. So you really don't have to look down on yourself. You can do this. It really doesn't matter about where you're coming from. And the really good thing about this platform is that you can be from India right now and you can start recording your videos from your mobile phone and start uploading on YouTube. It really doesn't matter about your environment. You can start providing value on YouTube and you can get viewers and people who are going to trust you, and you can monetize that and you can start making a better life. So I think a lot of people are afraid to take the first step because they're really afraid about what people are going to talk about them. Right now I'm pretty sure that you're thinking about what type of content you'll be posting on YouTube. Well, it depends on your interest. You can start posting about finance, you can start posting about sports, entertainment, and I know there are a lot of people who they don't want to show their face on YouTube. It's okay. You can also start posting content without showing your face, faceless channel. You can just be recording your audios and start uploading your videos, and you can get a lot of views. I had this big channel. I never showed my face on this other channel, and this channel I have more than 600,000 subscribers, and I really never showed my face on this channel. So you really don't have to let anything stop you from creating content on YouTube, because I think this is the best platform, but also you can build your community, big audience, and big family, so you can earn money through your YouTube channel. So I didn't want to say that. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and these videos, you don't have to be watching video like this and say, I'm gonna try tomorrow, I'm gonna try maybe next week. I think the best for you to try today. You can go ahead and create your channel, which usually takes a very short time, and you can start uploading videos on your YouTube channel, and after that you can see the success. So I know you may be asking yourself that if I'm making at least $1,000, then why my environment is like this? Why I'm not trying to do anything for my parents? I think for now I'm just saving my money, and I think for the next few months, I think maybe in December, I will have to decorate our place so it can look more amazing. But I've done enough, and I think I'm just gonna make my parents proud for now. So I think it's time for you to wake up and started creating content on YouTube. I really never expected that YouTube could change my life in a very good way. First of all, I met with very amazing people on YouTube. And also, the only thing that I'm really grateful is that my parents are proud of me. I'm very proud of the person that I am right now, because I can help them in one way or another using my platform, using my YouTube channel. So you really have to go ahead and start creating content on YouTube. This is what I can tell you right now. And if you're thinking about starting any business maybe in the next 12 months, I think you can consider creating content on YouTube, and you can see big changes maybe in the next 6 months. The last thing that I want to tell you, my friend, is that YouTube can be very stressful sometimes. You can keep uploading videos and get no views. As for me, my channel is still new on YouTube, this one. But just imagine if you were in college, you're supposed to take, or you're supposed to study at least for 3 years for you to get employed and start making money right after employment. So you have to think the same about YouTube. You really don't have to expect fast the result on YouTube. You just have to give yourself like 2 years or 3 years. Then after that, I'm pretty sure that YouTube can be very rewarding for you. The only thing that you need to consider is for you to be consistent on YouTube. You have to keep posting video. You don't get views, just keep posting. You get views, just keep posting. At the end of the time, you can see huge success on you. So I really wish you all the best. I really wish you good luck on your YouTube channel. This video is not about starting a YouTube channel. This video is for everyone who is waiting for the perfect time. You know, this is your perfect time. This is your time that you need to start right now, without waiting for tomorrow, without waiting for the next week, because tomorrow is never guaranteed. So you need have to start right now. Whatever you want to do, it can be your business, it can be going to school, it can be going to college, it can be pursuing any of your dream. This is your best time. Don't let your environment, don't let your background stop you from achieving your dream. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. My name is Hans David.